Connector by fiber, foresee the future. Hello friends, fiber optical lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong Honserv Limited. Welcome to my channel. Last lesson, we introduced the right way of cleaning connectors. Today, let's talk about fiber end phase detector. Fiber end phase detector is a microscope used to detect the clean and damaged state of the end phase of the optical fiber connector. The fiber end phase detector is composed of three parts: fiber inspection probe, optical fiber connector adapters, display and analysis module. Fiber inspection probe. It is the main component of the detector. Magnification, centering, focusing are all completed by the fiber inspection probe. Optical fiber connector adapters. According to different connector structure and diameters, there are multi-types of adapters. Display and analysis module. Responsible for the display of videos and images, the judgment of the results, and the generation of reports. Now, let's watch a video to understand how it works. Above is all the content of Lecture 6. Don't forget to follow our updates. In the next lesson, let's find the secrets of optical fiber connectors. See you next time!